Hey guys, today I want to show how to create and how to use a selector in CSS. So the selectors are used to find the HTML elements you want to style. For use this, need to create a file with HTML. So we first step is to open the Sublime text editor and create a new file with HTML. Oh, it's here. Yeah. And save this. For example, the name will be index, and create a new file with uh, with CSS and save this to the desktop. For example, the name will be style. And here will be the HTML and the CSS file. The title will be the selector. And for example, the body, I will create a new paragraph for text. So this is the text one, for example. And if you create the another text, and this is will be a text too. And if you open this in the browser, for example in the Opera, and here will be. And for example, to select one element, need to write, for example, in the paragraph, I want to color with blue. Yeah, and if you refresh, need to write a link to get this style file. So need to write here the CSS file name. So will be a style.css. And if you reopen the all text color will be the blue. If you so this is a selector with an element. If you want to select one this, need to write here ID, and so in the attribute we need to write this ID. For example, this P1. Yeah, and here need to write this and here you can write, for example, the color will be red, and yeah, this will be P1. And if you refresh, so this text color will be the red, because this is a paragraph with ID P1, and in the CSS, if you write this hashtag with the name, with the ID name, with P1, the color will be red, and the second paragraph the color will be the default, so this is black. So, and here if you write a new ID with p2, and here we write I want this paragraph color, for example the blue, and this will be a blue. So you can, so this is as ID selector use the ID attributes in the HTML elements to select a specific element, and it have a class selector, and this selects HTML elements with specific class attributes. So if you write this class and the name will be the same, so this is a class and this is an attribute, this is a ID, and here we need to write this, so dot p1, and if you reopen the result is the same, but this will be a class, and here need to write a dot, and the ID will need to write a hash tag. So for example, if you want to select all HTML element, needs to write this. So this is an universal selector. So this selects all HTML elements on the page. So, and write the color will be the red. So the all HTML color will be a red. And if you refresh, it is the same. So this is a paragraph with class and ID. Then, for example, if you create a heading with one, so with text hello, and if you reopen, and this color will be the red because this is a selector with all HTML elements. So thank you for watching and see you later.